Well, I made it to Old Time Treasures. I still have no mic cord, so normally the music's a little loud in here, so hopefully I don't get drowned out. I can't believe I managed to squeeze this place in. We are hunting cats, we are looking for owls, we are looking for Christmas, we are looking for stuff for my weekly variety sale on Whatnot. Let's go in and see what we can find. Yes, lots of Christmas happening here. Love the chips. Oh my gosh, how fun. Chips and ornaments. Well, I don't really want your ornaments, but I kind of love your chips bowl. That's perfect. $8. It's really fun. I never get to get these. I'm gonna get that. I don't really feel like messing with this whole set, even though it's only $35, which is really good price. Let's see. Man, Christmas seems to be in full effect here. What about over here? Looks like a lot of contemporary. Jim Shore, super cheap, but I'm not a Jim Shore person, honestly. Oh, you know what? I'm weirdly second guessing this. I know I could make money off of it. I'm just trying to be picky. I told myself I was going to be picky when I left. And I mean, I've done well, but I just haven't been that picky. So maybe I'll start now. Well, this booth looks like it's cleaned out. I'm going to assume they're rearranging for Christmas. Dang. It's kind of a bummer. Look at this little stocking. That is so cute. $6. Vintage stocking. More deer. I think I have a lot of those right now. Oh my gosh, look at this angel. She is fantastic. I love her face. $20. That's probably about what I'd get for that after retail. All right, cats. Now we're talking. This is a fun one. $7. We'll take that. And what else? I don't know about these guys. $8.99 too. Yeah, they're good. Oh, that's a single shaker. Dang. Oh my gosh, look at this snowman one on Santa ringing the bell. These don't sell that well for me, but they're so fantastic. I love the snowman. What's going on with this rabbit? Nesco, $9. It's got a very interesting look to him. Look, it's Viking Jesus. $20. Here's some more cats. $3.50 and 20% off. That's a no-brainer. What about this one? $3. $3. I'll take all those. What about this one? $12. Cat booth alert. Now, most of these are going to be contemporary, but cat trinket box. Oh, this is fun. This one's only $8. People love these little trinket boxes. Although I am nervous about buying a contemporary one for $8 that doesn't have the craziest expression ever. Speaking of craziest expressions, look at this one. That's $18 though. Well, I love this frog. It probably weighs 100 pounds. I'm also looking at that. That's at $15. I think I'm gonna grab that. Oh my gosh, this is $15 and it's insanely cute. I'm gonna grab it for the Kitsch strain. All right, so the frog was like, I think this is Blanco. The frog was a little too spendy for me at $59. Again, it probably weighed like 100 pounds. Yeah, that's Blanco. It's probably, owls. Oh my gosh, I love this. Let's see what else. This is the aisle I usually get in the most trouble, and I'm in luck because the music isn't screaming like it usually is, and I have no microphone, so it's like a win-win. That's not what I thought it was. That's like a perfume thing. 15, 25. That is gorgeous. I love Jack in the Pulpit. Oh my gosh. Pink Spaghetti Poodle family. I love it. $30, even with 20% off. I think that's a little close, although it's really fair. Here's a, I know I've looked at this. Oh, 30. Okay, I was going to say, I can't remember why I left that guy the last time. Little Fenton bell, hand painted. So many fun things. I love the little lamp. Reindeer. 15, 20% off, so 12. Wait, look at this. This one, this one's 35 for 3. That's a little close. Oh my gosh. Stop, stop, stop. What, dude? That's happening. Right? There's no way. Is this what I think it is? This has got to be. I'm like so confused by this. All these little bone chinas. That's a lot. Oh my gosh, I'd be crazy not to get this. But the problem is I don't want to split it up. I kind of want a collector to find that. I'm going to put it back for now because I feel like somebody will be really happy to see it in the original box like that. And if I bought it, I would definitely split it. So I'm going to do a favor and leave it for now, at least. I might change my mind. Let's see what else they have. This is kind of neat. Oh, it's not what I thought it was at all. Just kidding. I thought it was lucite. Ooh, we like this. 25, 30% off. I'm going to do the math on that. All right, so this comes to 18, which means the other one comes to 18. I think I'm going to grab this for $18. That is really pretty. It's kind of hard to find. Let me take the tape off to make sure it's not chipped because it kind of seems a little too good to be true. It's kind of hard to find in, it's not flashed, is it? I can't tell with the tape on that. Hold on. Yeah, for $18, I'm going to go ahead and take that. Now the question is, do I take these two? What's the condition? Like $18. Can I get away with it? Yeah, I feel like I'd sell those for buy it now at 30. Blanco sun catcher for $7. We'll take that. And I'm kind of over these because I've had them so many times. But this one's $8 and 30% off, and it's blue. I like that. I need to take a break from those after because I've just been kind of hitting it hard. Is this what I think it is? I don't know. I don't know about that. These are fun with the umbrellas. All right. Anything else? But this is different. Blue pottery tray. That's kind of cool. Like the shape on that. It's so cheap. This is the other thing that kind of gets my interest. With cherries, I got a Christmas tree earlier today. $5 and 30% off. Well, I'll take that. And peacock mug? Nope. Purple crackle glass, $12, 10%. I'm gonna pass on that. Anything else? Whoa. Oh, it's Cat's Biting at 18. I was gonna say, I thought it said 8 at first. Ooh, owls. $20, 10%, so 18 Fenton owl. I don't think there's enough room in that. Yeah, so it looks like the Fenton owls on branch sell for about 25 in those colors at least. Maybe 30 I could eke out, but the truth is it's too much to have invested for resale, even though I'm kind of desperate for some special owls at that point. That's a really good deal, but the problem is that style is kind of hit or miss with me. The last few times I've had it, it has not sold well. So I'm going to move on. I'm still going to circle back to that one aisle. I'm curious what's down here, though. I thought this was an owl, but it's definitely a parrot. This is crazy looking. 23. This is really crazy looking, isn't it? I love that. It just weighs so much. I don't think I can have that much invested in it for me. Neat little jar. I don't know, man. I'm not really seeing much else. Here's an owl, but it's clear. Yeah, it's not really. It's close, but not close enough. So I'm doing one last glance over. The one thing I decided to do that I feel like it seems kind of crazy, but At this point, I've passed on this set so many times. There's something about it that's just bothering me. I'm putting these back. I know, I went out looking for cats today, and I thought about it, but there's something about that set that's just, I don't really want to have $18 invested in it, honestly. I feel like I did pretty well, and I'm trying to force it at this point. So I think I'm gonna let it go. This is cool. I've never seen one with an elephant on it. All right, but it's clear, so we don't need it. I am gonna go ahead and take my basket up to the front. Look at the big wiener dog. Take my basket up to the front. And I think that might be it for me here. There's so much good stuff, but like I said, I'm trying to narrow it down a little bit. I let a little too loose today. Those deer are very tempting. And look, there's another one of those. Gosh, that sold pretty good the last time. Is this Francoma? Did I make that? Yeah, Francoma. 15. Oh, cat ashtray. Wait a minute. That's only $12 after the discount. That's kind of great. I need stuff for my bite now that's different too. I like that it's got the blue. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. And I do think it's crazy to, wait a minute, what's this one? There's like naked people on it. I do think it's crazy to let the custard glass. 45, okay. I think it's crazy to let the bone china cat set go, honestly. I just feel like weird about taking it out of the box. I wish I hadn't filmed it so no one would know except for me. I don't know if I can sleep with myself though. Yeah, I'm on the fence about it. This is weird. And I must say, I do wish the seahorse wasn't clear. What about the, this is clear too. Kind of, but it's only $12, dude. It's opalescent. I think I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it today. I'm gonna stop. Ooh, Van's hat. Let me stop. Oh my gosh, how fabulous. And it's ceramic and porcelain. $7.50. And the little tree. Still have a couple spots left for Petite Palooza. I think I'm gonna grab these. All right, well, I decided to put the tree back. I don't know, am I being weird? Crystal tree, it's so cool, but I don't know. This though, that's a good deal. All right, last thing. All right, I made it. I spent $96 in there, and I have one last stop to go. And then I'm gonna be listing all night, it looks like.